How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. So if you want to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on your screen, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. And once you're under your apps, you can go with see all apps, go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp application, go with the storage and cache option, go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and make sure that you allow the permissions. Go with permissions and make sure that you allow the call permissions, which is the phone right here. Tap on phone and go with allow and go back, go with SMS, go with allow. Once you allow the permission, now you just need to simply go back, scroll down, and here you will have an option of display over other apps. If you have that feature, then you just need to simply turn on the display over other apps. Go with notifications and make sure that you've turned on your notifications. Once you turn on your notifications, now you just need to simply go back and check if your problem still persists. But if it does, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and restart, and after restarting it will reset your settings and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp incoming call not showing on your screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.